Alright guys, today I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new portable camping fan. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. User manual for it. Here's the actual fan itself. Very cool. This actually does turn any direction you like right here. Let's actually power it on. Cool. It does have a nice LCD display right here. Oh, very cool. And it also does have down here, if you want to hang it from like a tent or from anything like that, you're able to do so, and you can still feel that nice air blowing at you right here. So very cool, and it's not super loud either, which I do like. It does have that option right there, so that way it does swivel as it is working. I do like that it also has the battery on there, so that way you're not taking it out and it's only like at 5% and it dies within a couple minutes. But with the built-in battery on here, it's going to last you quite a bit, even on the highest setting, which is right there at a 4. It also does have some cool lighting back there. Let's turn it back on. And that's cool. I like that. And it also does have a different timer on there. So this will turn after 2 hours, 4 hours, or even 6 hours, 8 hours, or just normal, just have it on nonstop. So I do like the timer. So if you just wanted to have it on for a couple hours at night, it'll do that for you. It also does have a power bank back here, which we'll go ahead and actually try out. You also do get the remote control Type-C to charge it up, and then batteries for the remote. So we're gonna have to put the batteries in there. All right, it does use the 2 AAAs, which they do provide. So you can see it is changing the functions right on there. Lights. Very cool. And actually just turn it on or off. So that's what I do, like control everything right from the remote control as well. All right, and then the last thing I did want to show was the power bank built into it. Here's where you'll charge it, and then here's where you'll actually be able to connect something to it. So go ahead and grab this. There it is, charging right up right from the fan. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new portable camping fan like this one, make sure you guys look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can get yours. All right.